नमस्ते मैम। नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते।
हाय।
हाय हाय चांदी मैम। मैम
हाँ।
एक बार अपन लोग ना फॉर द sake of our audience and for them, if you can please give a brief introduction about yourself, all of you. Let's start with
Uh,
Yogesh sir.
yeah, hi, I'm Yogesh Thakur. I'm a resident of Mumbai. I'm an event manager and I'm self-employed.
Okay. Prabha ma'am.
Yes, I was working for Air India
हाँ.
and I'm a retired person and we don't get pension.
Okay, and when did you retire ma'am?
I retired in year 2013,
2013, 13.
March 2013.
Okay, and what is your current age ma'am?
I'm 65-year-old.
65 years old. And what about you ma'am? Chandi ma'am. Namaste.
I'm a housewife.
You are a housewife. Okay. And do you people have any source of income, Prabha ma'am and Chandi ma'am?
No, actually, I do events and we get compensated event-wise. Sometimes my mother and my wife also assist me on certain projects for which we compensate them through the company, and we have been regularly filing ITRs also accordingly.
Okay, so your company sometimes for some projects gives some amount of money to your wife.
Right. On the projects that they've been working on, so we compensate them accordingly for that.
But they do not have any individual income as such.
No, I don't have any pension income.
Okay, good enough, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell us what has happened with you and why have we gathered today? What we want to say today?
Yes, I want to alert general public that what has happened with us, it should not be happening to them. And we trusted the ICICI Bank brand because for many years we are having account with them. And they are literally, we didn't know that ICICI are employing thugs in the company. They are literally looted our hard-earned money.
Okay. Yogesh sir,
So I want to alert people that you should not trust and blindly you should not trust them and park your money with them because they take advantage of your trust and then they literally take away your hard-earned money.
No, I agree, ma'am.
It basically started in 2012 and 14. I had taken certain products. I had gone to the bank to do an FD, where my branch manager and my RM, whom I trusted immensely, they told me that we have some better schemes than FD and guaranteeing tax-free returns, for which you need to park, and these are liquid investments. And if you pay year on year, you get cumulative interest on that, like a recurring deposit. For which I agreed upon, and for which I had even paid up until it was a 2 lakh rupees investment in 2012 and 14.
Okay, good.
Post that.
So when did the things started going worse? Like चीजें खराब कब होना शुरू हुई? 2012-14 तो I think मैंने आपका डिटेल्स देखा है. 1 लाख रुपए का एक पॉलिसी 2012 में बेचा है. 1 लाख का एक पॉलिसी 2014 में बेचा है उन लोगों ने. और एक पॉलिसी बिका है आईसीआईसीआई बैंक से, एक पॉलिसी बिका है नेहा पोद्दार से. So I also wanted to ask about नेहा पोद्दार, but that will come later कि who is नेहा पोद्दार and all. But ठीक है, आप कह रहे हैं कि आपने आईसीआईसीआई बैंक से पॉलिसी खरीदा 2012.
दो पॉलिसी थी, मुझे ये पता भी नहीं था. मुझे तो बोला था एक प्रोडक्ट है एफडी, इट्स लाइक अ रिकरेंट डिपॉजिट for which I need to pay, and जब भी आपके पास पैसे हो तो उसमें पार्क कर दीजिए, you'll get good rate of interest,
15% rate of interest.
And they promised us that it's 15% tax free, for which I had paid that and I was regularly paying. उसका मुझे इतना कोई शिकायत नहीं है. But the foul play came into light recently, जब मेरे अकाउंट में से पैसे डिडक्ट होते गए 2017 से to a tune of 24 lakhs annually. तब when I researched more, I was shocked कि ये क्या हो रहा है. एंड जब मुझे पता चला, दैट्स व्हेन आई एक्चुअली केम टू नो कि इन्होंने मुझे एक एफडी के नाम पे और रिकरेंट डिपॉजिट के नाम पे एक पॉलिसियां बेची है ऑफ अ लॉन्ग टर्म नेचर, जिसमें मुझे कुछ भी ठीक से बताया नहीं गया था कि इसमें कोई फोरफीचर क्लॉज है, विच एक्चुअली आइडियली एज पर द गाइडलाइंस ऑफ IRDA इनको पब्लिक को अवेयर करना चाहिए कि अगर आप पूरे ये पॉलिसी है और अगर ये आप नहीं भरोगे तो पूरे आपके पैसे फॉरफिट हो जाएंगे. ये इन्होंने खुद इशू करने के बाद मुझे बताया है. And in fact, even I've read under anti-money laundering acts that any person who is being given a policy over a lakh should be, their source of income should be verified, which is the onus of the bank and the policy issuing agency. जो इन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है, तो इन्होंने पूरे IRDA गाइडलाइंस फ्लॉन्ट किए हैं, एंटी मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग गाइडलाइंस फ्लॉन्ट किए हैं. एंड सबसे बड़ी बात, like am I capable to pay this kind of interest of like 24 lakhs which is a huge thing. Like
this has to
इतनी
be
मेरी
verified by
income
the
भी
bank
नहीं.
and the insurance company only.
ये मुझे उन्होंने कोई मेरे प्रूफ ऑफ फंड्स भी नहीं मांगे, मैं कैसे पैसे भरूंगा ये भी नहीं पूछा मुझे कभी. और इन्होंने अपनी मन मर्जी एक झूठ बोल के बेसिकली एक कुछ और प्रोडक्ट बोल के कुछ और ही बेच दिया है, और बेसिकली मेरा एक लार्ज सम उन्होंने अटका दिया है.
I agree.
And which they are refusing.
I have seen the number of policies that have been sold to you. For the sake
Right.
of audience convenience, can you show the policy bonds? How many number of policies have been sold to you? Can you show the policy?
Yeah, almost 14 to 15 policies.
These are like 14 policies, like 8 in my name, 4 in my wife's name, and 2 in my retired mother's name, who does not even have like any source of income. And these many policies have been issued by the banks. And ये policies है, ये मुझे अभी पता चला है. And up until now, we were given the impression, agent ने कुछ भी नहीं बताया था कि ये policy है आपकी. I was parking my savings, all my savings and all my salary, जितने भी मेरे shows के पैसे आते थे, ये सारे मैंने इसमें पार्क कर दिए अपने एजेंट को ट्रस्ट करके. एंड ऐसा नहीं कि कोई एजेंट था या कोऑपरेटिव बैंक था. इट्स लाइक अ बिग ब्रांड लाइक ICICI which has done to this. And like I have never imagined in my worst of dreams कि such a big brand like ICICI is doing such looting through their employees.
I'll come back to you. Prabha ma'am कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं.
Yeah, it was a relationship manager whom we trusted.
He was working with the bank.
Yes, of course. And who is this Neha Poddar? Do you know her?
We don't know.
So we've
Because
never
many
seen
policies have been
Neha
sold,
Poddar.
have been sold to you through her only. So have you ever met this girl, Neha Poddar?
I'm hearing the name now only. Who's Neha Poddar? Even we don't know.
We have no clue about who's this girl.
No clue about Neha Poddar. No clue about Sony Gupta.
Okay.
This is unknown.
But all these policies have been sold to you. Like the person who approached you was an ICICI.
And when I went through, I seen that.
I wanted to ask, like, when these policies were sold to you, you were contacted through ICICI Bank only? ICICI Bank.
Yes. And I wanted to park some money in FD. So they said, madam, we have got one better scheme, which it can give you recurring deposit of 15% cumulative interest. You just have to pay 2 times you have to pay. In this year you have to pay, and next year you have to pay. Then it will be like recurring type, a cumulative type of.
Yeah, that's what she was not told. She was not told that it's a policy.
FD.
अच्छा, so my next question is, I'll tell you. जो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है वो ये है कि आप लोगों को ICICI बैंक के एम्प्लॉइज ने पहले कांटेक्ट किया. 2012 की पॉलिसी बेची भी ICICI बैंक के थ्रू है. उसके बाद में जब मैं देख रहा हूँ कि 2014 में 2017 में कुछ पॉलिसीज आपको नेहा पोद्दार बेच रही हैं, कुछ पॉलिसीज आपको कोई सोनी गुप्ता बेच रहे हैं, और कुछ पॉलिसीज ICICI बैंक बेच रहा है. सो व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड, आपके जो कहने से मुझे समझ में आ रहा है, एक अलग तरह का स्कैम और भी है. What these people do is, and it is for your knowledge and for the knowledge of the audience, what these people do is कि ICICI बैंक के एम्प्लॉइज को पॉलिसी सेल करने का कमीशन नहीं मिलता है. ओके, उन लोगों का टारगेट होता है, वो टारगेट अपना पूरा करते हैं. जैसे सपोज किसी का टारगेट है 1 महीने में ₹1,00,000 करने का, तो उसने ₹1,00,000 का टारगेट कर लिया. अब उन्होंने एक्स्ट्रा पॉलिसीज आपसे ली. ओके, वो एनी व्हिच वेज टारगेट में कहीं काउंट हो नहीं रही हैं या व्हाटएवर, उनको फायदा नहीं मिल रहा है. तो ये लोग क्या करते हैं, ये लोग पॉलिसीज को ओपन मार्केट में इन्हीं के कंपनी के एजेंट्स को सेल करते हैं. I'll tell you how. एजेंट्स को पॉलिसीज के अगेंस्ट में कमीशन मिलता है. जैसे अगर उन्होंने आपके लिए ₹1,00,000 की पॉलिसी करी है, तो उनका 10%, 20%, 30% अलग अलग स्लैब्स होते हैं, वो उनको कमीशन मिलता है. तो बैंक एम्प्लॉय को कमीशन नहीं मिल रहा है. वो क्या कर रहा है, अपना उसका टारगेट हो गया एक पॉलिसी से, अब जो एक्स्ट्रा पॉलिसीज वो कर रहा है, वो उन्होंने क्या किया, नेहा पोद्दार को सेल करी होंगी. आई एम नॉट श्योर कि ऐसा हुआ होगा, बट दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस एक्चुअली ऑन द ग्राउंड. और उनको कमीशन मिल रहा था. सो इट इज क्वाइट पॉसिबल कि आप ये समझ रहे थे कि मैं बैंक से पॉलिसीज ले रहा हूं, और एक्चुअली जो बैंक का एम्प्लॉय था वो पॉलिसी सेल कर रहा है ओपन मार्केट में, और आपके पैसे पे कमीशन भी कमा रहा है. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज हैपनिंग. So this is.
But sir, we were not even aware about taking the policies. We were just thinking कि we are parking our money in FD.
That I agree.
And we are going to get the recurring amount.
But then these are all policies, and ये कुछ 14 policies जो बेची हैं, 2012-14 की पॉलिसी को अपन लोग अगर छोड़ भी दें, तो 2017 से लेकर 2018 एक साल के दरमियान में आपको टोटल 12 पॉलिसियां और बेची गई हैं, जिसमें एनुअल प्रीमियम ऑब्लिगेशन जो है आपका, वो है ₹24 लाख. एंड नाउ व्हेन आई when I see your income tax returns, I have seen your income tax returns also, and I will share that in those income tax returns in with the company also, with the general public also. We'll try and जितना हम लोग बता पाएंगे. So उन returns में you people are earning 2016-17 में आपका total family income is some 21 लाख 22 लाख total complete family income, and that too gross total income. उसमें हम लोगों ने कुछ भी deductions अगर नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आपका 21-22 लाख रुपए का इनकम है. एंड हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल कि आपको इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज बेची की 26 लाख रुपए की?
Yeah, they've flaunted the underwriter rules and which is actually the onus of the issuing company.
Yes, of course.
These are the basics that
so there
they
is
should
no
follow.
verification done. We've not got any verification
This
calls.
is very important.
When I went through
there is a process of pre-issuance verification call. Was any pre-issuance verification call process done with you wherein
No, absolutely not.
Not even a KYC. Basic KYC is a mandate, I believe, that in before doing any such or issuing such high amount of insurance premiums, a basic KYC should be required, and none of that was also done.
No, आधार कार्ड वगैरह तो लिया होगा, इनकम टैक्स प्रूफ, आपके इनकम प्रूफ नहीं लिए होंगे.
I think they fetched it from the bank directly, and I tried and inquired that. तो इन्होंने कुछ मेरा KYC नहीं किया है, मेरी email address is wrong है, कहीं पे मेरा
they had all the details about our bank accounts.
Bank is hand in glove with whatever has been done. And we just trusted the bank, and that too ICICI brand. And yes, I want to alert public that never trust ICICI bank,
or
because
any such
they
banks
are
for that
employed all thugs in their company just to earn the commission.
No, it's a modus operandi of all the banks. Not ICICI is a major one, which because of which I have lost all my life's earnings and savings, and because of all these forfeiture clauses. That's the reason that we are coming out and warning everybody, the gullible people, not to become scapegoats of these people who are glib talkers, and they earn your trust and then they breach your trust.
I agree. अच्छा, PIVC आप लोगों ने बताया नहीं हुआ.
नहीं, फॉर्म का कुछ भी नहीं आया, किसी को भी नहीं आया. We are not even aware about it.
आप लोगों के इनकम डॉक्यूमेंट्स कभी नहीं लिए गए?
जी
नहीं, कभी नहीं लिए गए. इनफैक्ट मेरी तो सिग्नेचर भी नहीं है. आई एम शॉक्ड टू सी that it's not my signature.
Your signature,
I think that also has been. जी, मेरी सिग्नेचर नहीं है फॉर्म के ऊपर.
कुछ फॉर्म्स पे सर, योगेश सर, आपने भी कहा था कि आपके सिग्नेचर्स अवेलेबल नहीं है. Is it true?
Absolutely, because my signs you can give it to a handwriting specialist. उस फॉर्म में मेरी सिग्नेचर भी नहीं है, and they have deducted my savings account by itself on ECS by giving various excuses कि आपका पिछला प्रीमियम वगैरह है और वो आपको भरना है. New policies were issued ये करके.
All our personal details filled in the form are mostly wrong. If you verify the forms, it's not matching with our real lives.
इसमें protection of policy holders regulation जो होती है, I think it's passed in 2016. All of those rules have been flaunted, literally.
मैं ये भी देख रहा था कि ना इनकम डिटेल्स जो इन्होंने डिक्लेयर करी हैं आपके प्रपोजल फॉर्म्स पे, वो भी बड़ी अजीब हैं. 2018 28 ऑफ मार्च 2018 को एक पॉलिसी इशू हुई है योगेश ठाकुर जी के नाम पर, और उसमें इन्होंने आपको दिखाया है दैट यू आर अ प्रोफेशनल एंड अर्निंग 30 लाख रुपीस. और उसी महीने 21 मार्च को उन्होंने पॉलिसी एक और इशू करी है. नहीं, उसी महीने नहीं, उससे पहले योगेश सर के नाम पे इशू हुई है पॉलिसी इन अक्टूबर 2017, और वहां पर आपको 12 लाख रुपए दिखाया है, एंड यू आर दैट इनकम हैज बीन शोन थ्रू सैलरी. So I don't know, like 30 लाख रुपए प्रोफेशनल. Are you a professional? Doctor
I do events and वो भी एकदम बरसाती काम है. मतलब है तो ईद वरना रोजा. I don't even know when I'm gonna eat next if I do not get another event. ये reality है. मतलब it's not something fixed. कुछ मुझे मिलता भी नहीं है.
I agree.
And event आज है कल नहीं है. And it's like very uncertain.
And have you?
I don't even have a fixed source of income.
आप लोगों ने कंपनी को अप्रोच किया है? कंपनी को लिखा आपने अपना ये प्रॉब्लम सारा?
I have been writing to them since 9 months और वो blatantly ignore कर रहे हैं and automated responses भेज रहे हैं कि we will revert back to you, और कुछ उनका तरीके का email नहीं है. They have a scripted email कि you have bought something in 2012-14. मैं उसकी कंप्लेन भी, ठीक है, वो भी it started from that.
ब्रांच ऑफिस पे मेरे को सेल्स मैनेजर बोल रहा है, मैडम आपको किसी ने एड़ा बनाया है, आप प्लीज जिसने बेचा है आपको उसको जाके
उसको पकड़ो. Like, is that how
हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, जो बेच रहा था उसको पकड़ो.
Yeah, is it some like fish market?
With ICICI Bank, and ICICI as a brand is responsible for this mis-selling, but now nobody wants to take a charge of it.
Okay. So what we'll do is, sir, we will highlight your case to the authorities, And we will also be highlighting your case on social media, asking people not to trust banks like ICICI.
Yeah, you'll end up like this, and all your money stuck with the bank, and without giving any proper information of what they're giving to you, your money will be deducted, and you will be left nowhere. Like you'll actually lose all your life's earnings, and will be at their mercy, and just corresponding since 8-9 months without any decent reply also from them, or any forfeiting or fructifying solution. They are not even ready to provide any solution towards this mis-selling.
I understand. And
no, higher authorities, when through mail, when we communicated to them, higher authorities, they can see, but then they are trying to turn the blind eye towards their own people whom they have hired. And I am certain they have hired all the thugs in the company to loot public.
I agree, ma'am. To a certain point, I do agree that the senior management is aware about this scam, but they are not doing anything and they are turning a blind eye, because at the end of the day, इस सारे से पैसा जो था, ये पैसा कहाँ पे पार्क हुआ? In whose profit books it is there? It is in ICICI banks and ICICI Prudential coffers. So they would not say, और फिर वही चीज तो उनको as their bonuses, annual bonuses वगैरह उन्हीं को मिलता है. So this is how it is being
this should be definitely highlighted so that others do not make this mistake, and that's the prime reason we're coming out and being vocal about.
So I am really happy that there are people like you who have come forward and are informing the general public, because मैंने बहुत सारे जनों को देखा है कि वो लोग चाहते हैं कि नहीं ठीक है हमारे साथ हुआ तो हम लोग शेयर नहीं करते हैं. It is really
bank is a part of this insurance selling scam, you know, like bank finds a customer for the Prudential, you know, so bank is involved in selling insurance. But when we went to the bank also complaining that this has happened to us through the bank says we are not responsible, we are a separate identity, Prudential is a separate identity.
But we never knew Prudential exists. We knew only bank, we knew only ICICI. So ICICI should be responsible for their whatever commission or omissions.
No, I agree, and we'll highlight this thing. And I really thank you all for the courage that you people have shown, and you people have come forward. And because of your learnings and your experience, there would be n number of people who would be saved from this disaster of the bank.
Right.
So it's a learning, and it is a courageous thing that you people have taken. I really appreciate you for this, and I'll definitely take up your case with the concerned authorities. Let us see what we can do.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Please save all other people. They should not just face what we have faced, like a hard time.
It's not some black money. It was like every rupee earned with a lot of effort. Yes, and all of that has gone, like just because of a certain misselling and scam by these people.
Yes, and he's like the main earning member of our family.
None of these two earn, and like all the onus is on me. And such a big topic that how would a person like me, a single person, they should have at least thought. Like where would the funds be coming from?
12 policy कोई क्यों लेगा? कोई भी sensible आदमी अपने senses में 12 policy.
There are all traditional plans. 10 plus 10. We've never seen such plans in our lifetime.
I agree. ये traditional plan, ULIP plan.
And one thing, like sir, I'm a 65-year-old retired person. I don't have income.
Ma'am, please don't.
How can I take in my senses? In my senses, I can buy something of 10 years. I don't even know tomorrow whether I'm going to live or not.
I agree.
It's such a stupid thing.
These are basic facts. Ma'am, please calm down, ma'am. Please calm down. Ma'am, ये आपको ना rules जो regulations हैं ये आपको अभी किसने बताया? Like how did you come to know about these regulations? When did you come to know about these regulations? Traditional policies, ULIP policies, ये कैसे पता लगा आपको?
I went to the bank now basically to withdraw my funds, which were parked in these recurring deposits. Until then, मुझे ये पता भी नहीं था कि कोई insurance policy है, the term that she mentioned, ये traditional वगैरह, ये हमको अभी पता चला when they denied to give me any of my funds. In fact, बोलने लगी कि आपको और 10 साल भरने हैं. मतलब क्यों भरने हैं?
आप और पैसे दीजिए नहीं तो आपके पैसे forfeit हो जाएंगे.
जितने भरे नहीं तो आप भूल जाइए. सीधा उनके ये words, जितने भरे वो भूल जाइए. And it's like I've accumulated over the years 2012, 14, 17 से to the tune of 80-85 lakhs. It's not a small amount.
Yes,
और मैं जब withdraw करने गया तो मुझे बोला कि ये और आपको कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा, जबकि ये सारी बातें should have been told to me at the start when they were issuing.
Yes, of course.
ये तो बात किसी ने बताई
नहीं. They were not even told anything about this. They just told us pay for 2 years. It's like
it's a liquid fund,
like investment, and
जब पैसे हो तब जब पैसे हो तब भर दो.
आपके पैसे आप निकाल लो.
I agree. Perfectly taken.
In fact, they even told me कि this is like FD and anytime you can, it's a liquid fund. Even you can take loan on it. To that extent, it was like, no,
highlighted as a different product, as a totally different product.
Fund.
I completely understand. And this is not only you people who are complaining. We have on our channel, Insurance Angels, if you go, we have now more than 300 videos of people like you who have suffered at the hand of ICICI Bank and ICICI Prudential. And these people are actually, what they are doing is pathetic. That is completely wrong, completely immoral, completely unethical. But the problem is because we are,
and it's only purely because of trusting somebody like a brand like ICICI, because it's not some Sakali Bandar or a cooperative thing. Nobody would imagine like a bank like ICICI would do such a thing.
Of course. I completely agree with you, sir. In our society,
the bank is completely involved with the prudential, like the insurance.
बिल्कुल. आप जब गई बैंक में थे और बैंक का एम्प्लॉय आपको कुछ सेल कर रहा है, तो how come bank is not involved? They are definitely involved. I completely agree with you.
But right now, when we went this year, they clearly told us this is not our matter and we're not interested in talking over this.
Of course, they've taken my money. Why would they be interested now?
Yes, of course.
But now I want IRDA and our government to take some stringent action against them.
Definitely highlighting.
Because the gullible public is really loss of money, their hard-earned money. It's not a simple thing.
हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक बात है मैम विल डेफिनेटली हाईलाइट एंड दिस इन इटसेल्फ लाइक 12 पॉलिसियां एक साल के अंदर में किसी को बेचना इन इटसेल्फ शोज की मिस सेलिंग है. इससे ऊपर तो और कुछ जरूरत नहीं है.
14 not 12 14
भूल भी जाते हैं 12 बनाया है वो 12 पॉलिसियां तो है ही. हाँ, जब इतना क्लियरली कह रहे हैं कि आपको येड़ा बनाया.
मेरे को खुद उनके सेल्स मैनेजर का
you should take up these people like Anup Jukar. I will in fact
telling us on the face जाओ आपको किसने एड़ा बनाया.
नहीं and in fact I would like to tell people like to beware of such people like Anup Jukar, Vikas Kuar, Ajay Gupta, and please note these names, and this video should go viral so that others are not fooled the way I was.
No, thank you, sir.
And this has happened in Santa Cruz West, Bombay branch.
Okay.
Linking Road,
Santa Cruz West branch, and these people are parked over there. Dhananjay is there. He started all this thing, and we trusted them. Because for all these years we had account with them.
There was a relationship manager for ICICI Bank.
Dhananjay Pandey.
He's the person who triggered all this.
नहीं करेंगे तो किस पे ट्रस्ट करेंगे? We are supposed to trust them. No,
and these guys were my RMs, my relationship manager, and including the branch manager.
And they are supposed to educate you, and they are supposed to do things which are in your favor, which are for your good.
They had each and every small transaction detail happening in our account. The RM and the insurance guys. Every time they came to our house,
they kept hiring me, calling me repeatedly. I did not go to the branch to take any of these products.
Your account
they landed up at our
rupees,
house.
Please invest it. Your account has 1 lakh rupees. Please invest it.
The moment they seen some money is coming in our accounts, immediately they used to come and pounce on that amount. And now we are left with no saving, nothing in our saving account.
No, ma'am, I'm completely with you, ma'am, and I'll definitely highlight and let us see what best can be done, ma'am. Let us see, and we'll fight till the end. ऐसा नहीं है कि अपन लोग RBI और IRDA में highlight करके और अगर वहां से कुछ help नहीं मिलता तो we'll stop. We will approach whatever forum we have. We'll definitely approach. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was a pleasure, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Same here.
Thank you.